northern half of the Chicago metropolitan area and the city of Chicago, extreme southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, western Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 6:45 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking an extremely dangerous and life-threatening wedge tornado, producing significant damage to complete destruction near Morton Grove, or just 1 mile northeast of Niles, and 7 miles northeast of O'Hare International Airport. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving south-southeast towards downtown Chicago at 79 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Chicago and the entire northern half of the Chicago metropolitan area. This is an extremely life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado with reports of significant damage to homes and businesses in Morton Grove and Glenview. Source: radar and storm spotters confirm tornado. At 4:23 p.m., a debris ball on Doppler radar estimated that the tornado was at least 2.5 miles wide. Impact: this is an extremely large and violent tornado with complete devastation likely. You can be killed, if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Homes and businesses will suffer significant damage and complete destruction is likely, making the area unrecognizable for survivors. Do not delay, seek shelter immediately. If no underground shelter is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If in a high-rise, move to the lowest floor of the building and go to an interior room such as a stairwell. Stay away from doors and windows. If time allows, consider moving to an underground or a tornado shelter. Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lincolnwood, Skokie, Interstate 94 between mile markers 22 and 24, Interstate 90 between mile markers 18 and 21, and downtown Chicago. To repeat, a large and extremely violent tornado producing significant damage to complete destruction is on the ground moving towards downtown Chicago. To protect your life, take cover now.
JD, in 20 years I've never said this, and I think it's our time to go. I really do. We've been monitoring the conditions here downtown, so at this point, folks, we here at KSN are moving to our shelter.